Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can enable or disable the JavaScript in our Google Chrome browser. Okay, so the steps are very easy, so just make sure that you do finish watching this video and let's get started. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to our Google Chrome browser and do please open it. So in here you will see in the upper right section or upper right corner, you will see the three dots button here. So please do make a click on that and then scroll down a little bit. You will see the settings option. Please do make a click on it. So in here in the left pane, you will see all the other options. All we need to do is just find for privacy and security, this one. So please click on the privacy and security options, and in here we will see safety check section, privacy and security. So please click on the site settings. So in the site settings, you will see the recent activity, the permissions, the additional permissions. Under content, you will see JavaScript. So JavaScript, in this option we can select or add sites that can use JavaScript, so please do click on that. And in here, so sites usually use JavaScript to display interactive features like video games or web forms. So under the default behavior, you will see the options that says sites can use JavaScript or don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. So for example, that you want to enable the JavaScript in your Google Chrome browser, all you have to do is just to select this option, the first option here that says sites can use JavaScript. And for example, you want to disable it again, then all you need to do is just go again to this window or go again to this options and then just click on the second option, which is to don't allow sites to use JavaScript. And after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and your settings will now be applied. And also in the customized behavior section, you can see the list for the custom setting instead of the default. So for example, you want to allow a certain website to use JavaScript, then you can add them just by clicking this button here. And if you have also a certain website that you don't want to allow to use JavaScript, you can also add them by clicking this add button here and then type the website itself. Okay, so that's it. That's a very simple and easy process. I hope you followed it and I hope that you find this helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.